in Bali, you guys. So I landed in afternoon and then I got really tired. But in the night, we went to this like beach club called Potato Head. It was honestly such a vibe. The music was good and we also had food. So there was pizza and even the drinks were nice. We had some mocktails and oh my god, we went to the beach that was connected and clicked so many good pictures. At 2 we decided to come at this place, M-Mart. It's like a 7-Eleven only because like we are hungry. We needed something in our system just to keep us going. So let's see what we can find. Guys, this whole mountain situation was so good. It was so pretty, but I froze to death. No one really I mean, people were like, yeah, it's gonna be a little chilly, just carry a jacket or something. I did carry a jacket, but don't be like me. Don't carry a jacket like this. Carry something a little more warm. But yeah, the overall thing was so pretty. We were here at like 5 and then now we are leaving at 6:15 and yeah, we are going to Black Lava and then we are gonna go to a hot spring. But yeah, this is gonna be a bumpy ride, but now we'll be able to see everything. When we were coming, we could not take a single video because everything was so dark and we were scared to death. Yeah, I was screaming. I was like, Karan,
that's true.
We can still see the moon. We are now going to this hot spring and it's like a natural hot spring. Before that we went for this Black Lava place, and honestly if you're coming you can easily skip that. It wasn't that great. It was just like black rocks and black lava, nothing much to do. But this place seems so pretty. Oh my god, this is so pretty, you guys. It seems so naturally beautiful. I love it. Guys, this is how the hot spring looks like. I'm honestly really excited to just go inside the water, and it's gonna be like a hot water, naturally hot water, which is kind of cool. Sun is hitting, bikini is on, sunscreen is on, everything looks so good. Guys, we are back in the Airbnb and it's been a while actually. We've been so tired. This one has completely...
Look at my hair. Look at my hair.
We have not slept and yeah, right now we're just having food. We are having Subway. There's some yogurt. Already tired and I think we need to change something so we don't get so exhausted that we don't like get to enjoy the trip properly. So we will figure that, but right now we're just gonna
sleep very early today.
Yeah, something like that. Like sleep is important for me and for you also. Like I'm a very sleep person. You guys, I am ready and we are going out. We are going to this cafe called Kind Cafe and it's very famous. It's exactly my aesthetic. It's like all pink, so which is why I've worn like white just so I can stand out. I didn't want to wear pink and just blend, you know, with it, but regardless, makeup is makeuping. I have shot like a makeup tutorial, so you all will see it soon. And yeah, I don't think again I'm carrying this camera because it's so hard to just make sure that the camera is intact, because even if like a little amount of water gets in or something, it'll be messed up, so I don't want to risk it. So I will be carrying my phone, so all of the vlogging will happen on that. But yeah, let me show you all like a better outfit check kind of video. Okay, this is the dress that I'm wearing. I hope you all can see it clearly. It's so cute, it fits me so well, and yeah, I feel really cute in it. It has become a ritual now. Today Tarini is not having one because she's having waters, but I am having this Yakult drink. Oh, you'll have? Okay, change in plans. We are both having it together. Just two girls who do Yakult shots. Yeah, because both of us don't drink.
All we want to do is go watch a beautiful sunset, be grateful, and come back home and sleep by 10 p.m.
For real. Guys, the Kind Cafe was so good. It was like a heaven for me. I loved the aesthetics, and even the food was really good. I hope you all can hear me. But anyways, we are done with this place. I'm just gonna go maybe in those shops and try to shop a little, and then we are gonna go to a beach club and watch a sunset. Finally, today we have watched a sunrise, and now we are gonna go and watch the sunset. I'm so excited, and I'm sorry for the background noise. Guys, I've changed and we are at Finn's now. It's super famous here. Everyone says you should go here. A lot of people say it's overhyped, but we have to be there to see if it's worth the hype or not. And yeah, the sunset is looking okay. It's not the best, but we have many more days to see the Bali sunset. But I'm so excited to be at this particular beach club. I hope it's fun. I will show you guys my outfit in a bit. Right now Tarini has gone to just take the change, and we're gonna give it to our bike driver. The bike ride was so much fun. It was my first time riding on a bike in Bali, and it was totally worth it. I think this is gonna be my new mode of transportation here. But yeah.
There you go. Little kiss on the cheek? No. For the gram? Ah, Jack. Nah, Jack.
Nariyal Pani gang in
as I forgot about it. Is it as big as your face?
No,
It
bigger.
Is it
Nariyal
bigger than
Pani
my
gang
face?
in Bali.
Is it bigger than my face? Oh my god, it is. I'm good. Yeah, I'm
It's
feeling
so
alright.
sweet. I love it. Hi you guys, good morning. So I'm ready, going for my first Pilates class here in Bali. I'm so excited because Bali is like so famous for their Pilates studios, and yeah, I'm kind of late, so we are gonna get going. Pilates is done. We were 5-6 minutes late, but then we still got in and we were able to do a really good class. Very tired. I changed because I was feeling so hot and icky in my sweaty little outfit. But yeah, now we have come to this place, which is literally just downstairs. Like, that's where I went for Pilates, and this is where we're gonna have our breakfast. Okay guys, breakfast is here. We have some avocado toast. This is like a smoothie, and then we have some yummy and gorgeous looking pancakes, like so pretty. I don't want to eat this just because it's so pretty. And that's Tarini having her morning coffee. nearby shops. Every shop in Bali is so aesthetic, so pretty. So yeah, might do a little bit of shopping while we are in the street because the street is such a vibe.
While exploring the boutiques, I realized how expensive shopping in Bali is. I don't know why people say it's cheap. It's absolutely not. Everything was for like thousands and thousands, and even the most basic things which you could find here in India. So honestly, I didn't shop much.
Beautiful streets of Bali. This is Canggu. Aww. Hi, cutie. I am ready. Actually, it's been a while. We got back from the market and then I was just chilling a little, and then I just decided my outfit for today. So yeah, right now we are going to this place which is like 40-50 even an hour away from where we are staying. It's called Uluwatu and Uluwatu actually, and yeah, I'm wearing this really pretty like pink top with a floral skirt. You all will see it in a bit. I'll do like a proper fit check, but I'm loving my makeup, I'm loving my jewelry. Everything is so Bali, everything is so colorful. I think this is my favorite outfit from the trip. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna leave in like 5. We're gonna have lunch, or maybe we'll find like a cute cafe or something where we're going, and then yeah, just the usual sunset and all of that. I mean, Bali is known for that, and there are more activities which we might do in like a few days. Tarini is going tomorrow for this dolphin watching thingy, and even I wanted to go, but then guys, it's like I have to wake up at 3 AM again, and I don't think I have it in me to do that because I don't think I've slept properly, and yeah, like it's also very chilly where she's going, and I died, I froze to death when we did the sunrise thingy. So I don't think like my body is like capable to do that even tomorrow, so I'm not going. And the trip has been so pretty so far. Now it's feeling like Bali. The first day, at least yesterday, first half, it was still like okay, whatever, but then now I think both of us are super into it and we are having fun. But yeah, enough of yapping. Let me just show you all my outfit. I'm really excited about that. So this is like a really pretty frame. I also shot like a get ready with me for Instagram, but yeah, this is my outfit. I absolutely love it, and the skirt is so tropical and the top is pink. So yeah, that's it. Now let's get going. Guys, we are at this place called Mana, and I'm not feeling that great health-wise, but I'll try to cheer myself up because I have a really pretty drink that I ordered for myself. Let me show you. So this is a frozen pina colada. Look at it. It looks so beautiful and it's frozen. I think it's like a slushy situation. Let me click some pics with this. Also, this is the view. We are just waiting for sun to set and hoping that the sunset is worth it because we traveled for 2 hours for this. Guys, we have casually ended up in a really pretty place. It's like a cave situation. Ah. We are just here at this place. It was just like a cafe above the cliff kind of situation, and we are literally watching the surfers because sunset decided to ditch us again. There is no sunset at all, but these crazy surfers are, well, they're crazy. How are they doing whatever they're doing? It's insane. There's no one ahead of us, there's no one behind us. Me being me, I am a little skeptic about this. And now we have to climb. We have to go there. Struggling. Oh my god. No idea how do we keep coming back to Indian restaurants for dinner. Today we are at none other than Shiv Sagar. Tarini, what do you have to say about this behavior of ours?
Not gonna lie, the food at Shiv Sagar was so mid. Like, I expected it to be so much better, but it just tasted a little off to me. But yeah, that was the dinner for us that night.
Hi you guys, it's my day 3. Yeah, it's 23rd today, so it's my day 3 here. 21, 22, 23, yes, and I am ready to go to the beach. It's actually almost like 3 p.m. now, so in the morning I woke up really late and I did not do anything. I was so tired. I just needed to complete my sleep, so I just did that. I woke up and then I was just doing a bit of my content thingy. Like, I wanted to shoot a few videos here because the villa is so pretty and the light is so pretty and I have so many outfits that I've overpacked, so I thought I'll do that. So I did that and now I am just ready to head out. I'm gonna go to this like Como Beach Club. I don't know how it will be, but yeah, Tarini came and she's super tired, so I think she must have slept by now. We will go out tonight, like maybe to a market or something, but right now it's just me going to a beach club. I am again hoping to see a pretty sunset. I am tired of not, you know, seeing the actual real Bali sunsets, which it's known for, because every time we go for a sunset it just becomes so foggy, so you cannot even see the sun setting. It's so bad and sad. But yeah, praying for a pretty sunset where I can just sit and chill and be by myself. It's gonna be fun. And yeah, okay, now I will get going. I'll book a Grab. I love sitting, you know, on these bikes that they have. It's super fun. Right now it's actually really hot, so I don't know how fun that will be. Guys, I have come to such a pretty place. So it's like this seating setup near Como Beach Club, and there's this sunset point and everything is so pretty. My POV is absolutely stunning. Wait, let me show you all. Can you all look at this? It's so pretty. I think I might order something to drink and I might just read a little because this is the ideal reading setup for me. There's the sound of waves and just a very nice breezy kind of weather. The clouds are looking really pretty, so yeah, I might just chill here a little. Guys, there is a market nearby. I'm gonna explore this a little now. Honestly, I'm just going here and there. Now I've come to La Brisa. Actually, this place I wanted to go to, I just was walking by and I saw it. So I was like, I need to go here. And yeah, this is fun. Me just randomly exploring places. Oh my god, there's a shopping place as well. There's shopping everywhere in Bali. No way, guys. This looks so pretty. I'm gonna cry. I am leaving from this place now. This was so much fun and I finally saw the sunset, which I am so grateful for. It was honestly the prettiest sunset ever. And this girl I met, Ruana, she was so sweet. She clicked such good pictures of me, and I also changed my outfit because obviously the bikini got really wet, even my outfit, like I'm carrying it like this. But yeah, I am going back to the Airbnb and then me and Tarini will probably go somewhere, which is gonna be super fun. So that was an update for you guys. So we have come to this very famous Instagram worthy kind of a market. It's called Love Anchor. It's so pretty. I hope I do shopping and I hope they accept card because I have gotten cash but not too much. I don't know why. I just keep forgetting that I have to carry cash, like a lot of cash, because here the denominations are big but then their actual value is less. But anyway. Time to expose this market we entered. It's way too expensive. Whosoever said that Bali is cheap for shopping, y'all are lying. Y'all are clearly lying, because why is like one earring for 2,000 rupees? Please, who is justifying that? Do not come to this place. The food is really bad. I'm trying to say it in the nicest way possible, but everything was so bad. Nothing was good. Only the water was good.
After having such a bad dinner, we had the yummiest gelato in the nearby place, and then we decided to go to a spa place. In Bali, these things are so cheap. We got like a foot massage and a back massage done. And that's it for this video. Now stay tuned for Bali vlog 2 to know how my last 3 days in Bali went.